Hi everyone, this is Design Studio Ideas and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I going to show you modern dressing table design. If you are looking for dressing table ideas, we bet your room getting ready area look more like a job. It is true that makeup can be tough to keep pretty. All those lip liners, lipsticks and individual eyeshadow rolling around can quickly create a cluttered feeling. It can also have you reaching for those some old cosmetics every day as messy space makes it difficult to see what you really have to work with, like when you keep using the same old pen because you cannot bear to sort your kitchen cupboard. There are some drawbacks of having a small or modest size apartment. You do not get enough space to decorate big size furniture. All the space you can get usually only can be filled with essential items and articles only. To solve this problem, you should try to find appropriate size of the furniture. One of the most common and beneficial amenities of modern corner dressing table because this type of furniture fit well even in a bedroom where you do not have enough space to decorate and arrange big size table sets. There are millions of corner dressing table ideas and features which you can review and avail. Most commonly corner dressing table design are some just like conventional tables having wooden tops, glass tops or metal tops or some other features. These tables are designed for those areas of home where you cannot decorate conventional style table due to lack of space in the room. Here are some very creative corner dressing table ideas. Check some features available commonly in their layouts. Most of the table have a mirror in the feature. In any good quality corner dressing table mirror you can accept to have some kind of compartments. Of course, you will need some space in order to store your items, makeup accessories and other stuff in the drawers. You should accept to have some drawers in the design of corner dressing table mirror design, along with some cabinets which may be in 3 or 4 in number. You can keep big size makeup kits inside big cabinets and store small items such as brush set, eyeshadow kits and jewelry in the drawers. Choosing any modern corner dressing table design is not an easy task. You can do it after doing some research. First, you need to measure the area which is available to you in the bedroom, how wide it is and how much height it has. Sometimes bedroom in apartment are designed with low ceiling. Your job is to do measurement and find appropriate modern corner dressing table design for it. In your room corner dressing table design, there will be small portion carrying corner dressing table mirror. It may be rectangular in shape, oval, curvy and square depending on the layout itself. Some corner dressing table design are multifunctional. There may have some racks as well as you can decorate important decorative items such as flower vases and paintings. If you want to decorate photos of your spouse along with your wedding pictures in the room, what could be best place to just in case you think that there must be some more storing space in corner dressing table design. You should serve different markets. Nowadays, a lot of manufacturers are offering good compartments in forms of storage space to homeowners by making diverse yet modern corner dressing table design. You can also make a custom order to the manufacturing company in order to get some customized corner dressing table design for your home. They will be designed specifically according to your requirements and needs. They would fit accurately in the space that you have. Before you place your order for custom modern dressing table design, you must have some good corner dressing table ideas to make the most of. You should figure out and think some points such as what the height and width of each table should be and how many compartments it must have. If it is the bedroom, then corner dressing table mirror should be built with the features and appropriate size drivers. I have collected some images to give you some corner dressing table ideas. Have a look at them and decide which one design is good for your bedroom, living room or dining room. These ideas will help you make an easy selection for you and you will find it easy to get either ready-made or custom design for your home. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help then comment down below. Thank you.